Hello, how are you doing today, guys? I hope everyone doing well. Today in this video, I will explain how we configure WHM and cPanel server. If you do not watch the previous video about how we install cPanel on the Rocky Linux, today from the same server, we go to the browser first, and through the browser, we will go to the our IP address 98. Just loading, we go to the same IP address as you see, and we log on to the our WHM server. As you see here, everything fine except this notification. It says a new version available to the cPanel. We click on it and we go to the upgrade, and we will wait some time. Do not leave this page until the process done, because I tried to leave it before and got issue with the system, you know. Or you can click open a new tab and keep this one download. So keep this one download and go to the home page. As you see, we will go through the basic configuration, basic web host configuration. We will change something here. We will change here the name of the name servers. So I will show you how we will create name server from the domain provider. First, we need to type like ns1.mydomain, any domain you would like, ns1 dot, like I have domain, I have like this domain 101 cs dot net, as you see, just copy and paste here, as well as change ns2. We do not need more than 2, but for some reason we have to do 4 if you have 2 dedicated IP. I will show you that in advanced configuration later, but now just change this one, put like save, as you see, save, and type here. We go to change now the host name, change host name, as you see, and we go to the change host name. The host name is very long. We put anything before your domain. Let's say for me, I put cl.101, that is domain, cs.net, as you see. Okay, that's all you need to do. Anything, specific thing you would like for your host name and your domain, it's 2 words, and that's it. It takes some time, and that will refresh your page with a new hostname. Later on, I will show you how we install SSL on the hostname. So here it says you should like a properly added entity to your hostname. As you see, we forget the connection. We lost the connection, We will go to advanced again. I will put accept a risk again because the hostname is changed. After that, this is cl101cs.net. We have to put the entity to it, just added entity as that. Like it says, a record exists to this domain, like we put a record for this domain. You have to drink coffee, to focus. What that says a lot of things going on. This one until now, like upgrading things, We go to the second thing, as you see, go to networking setting. as you see, and go to the, not the yes, change hostname again, and go to the network setup, as you see. Go to the like resolver configuration and put process. As you see, we have like a primary resolver, like secondary and optional one. We just copy. Contact your host provider to provide you all this information. If you are with us, you do not need all these. We will take care of it. So we have to put here 29, and we put this one. You have to put like. So I will show you one thing. This one, the optional one, put 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8 for Google DNS, and this one is the Cloudflare DNS, you know. Or if you have just only one, put the secondary one for Google and third one for Cloudflare, and continue. As you see, we got a 3 DNS, you know, instead one. And the third thing I need to do in basic configuration, we go to the active the backups, you know, we will active backups, back, backup configuration. See, if you go to you can purchase this one $5 per month, but for me I don't need them. Enable and put, because if you have good specification in your server, choose this one. If you have like 8 GB RAM or less, choose this one. Okay, because this one is more faster, you know. As you see, it says all the save information that changed since your last backup. Or this one, it says save all your information using more disk space but less time. So like choose this one, you know. This one is composite, is take space, you know, use less space. This one take a lot of RAM, you know. If you server more than 8 GB, choose this one. If less, choose this one. Okay. Notify 5%, and it depends what day you need, like how many backup per days. It's recommendation to choose all if you have a priority website on your server. You know, weekly, monthly, it's all because you have this one. Keep just two backups, like, or yeah, choose just like two backup. That's right. Okay, and all like you see. Okay, DNS. So backup all backup all logs. All choose all these. Peer account, peer SQL, peer everything, non-peer account, and SQL directory. Choose this one. You know. So here the issue that's most important, because we have not enough space. It's just 75 GB by default. Cpanel Cpanel do the routes, I mean direction just 75. So we need to do something because the cpanel install in home, you know, it's not in root. So we have to do something slash home, just put home like this and slash like that. Because if you do not do that, your server will down. That's most important, you know. And choose this one too. And everything done, you know. That's it. We got the backup system run, and we can and put additional like destination, but I will show you this configuration on the advanced configuration of WHM. It's not in the basic thing, you know. So third thing we need to do in this video, these things, you know, the initiate the quote, but we do not work now on it until the upgrade done, you know. I cannot do it because when I do that I have to reboot the server, so we will go back to it again. Okay, third thing we need to do, we need to do the update the preferences. As you see here, we are in release things, you know. It says directly, as you see, the root is 61, so just choose home, as you see, and save it. That's most important too, because you will lose access to your server if the server down. Okay, do not forget. We go to the basic setting because we do not finish it. We put email here. Okay, it says contact information. Put your email, one or more email here, like info at host. You know, I have server email, like .net or anything, you know, .net. I have email like WHM at, oh yeah, I will change it to it. WHM at net. WHM, like that. And just copy. We put second email here. An example for the do not reply to. We can put the emails here, but it's not like most important, you know. Here the dedicated IP address it's required by default. You do not play with that. If you play with that, you will get issue, you know. For advanced configuration, I'll show you how we upgrade the IP address from IP to IP. Because we don't have IPv6, we do not need that. And in another video for an advanced configuration, I'll show you how we will remove this option because it's most important for web hosting company. This one is the theme, you know, and that's it. Just save it, you know. It's not a lot thing, but that's most important thing, you know. We need to go to the pump Hulk, as you see. See, it says the protection system is disabled. We just enable it, you know. But for these things, we have to go the security advisor, you know, section. Okay, I will do this one. We go to the security center. We go to security advisor, as you see, security advisor, and just do the like a scan what thing you have to do and what thing it's already done. The green thing is verified is good. So CBulk forest protection is enabled by default, you know. So just wait some time to see what you need to do. Yeah, I'll show you how we will configure all these things, you know. Just wait some time until this CBanal security advisor check. So we got three things, you know. This one for SSH, I mean. This one for a secure all, and this one for CH root. I'll show you everything. I will fix it for you, you know. Yeah, we got all the three issues is easy issues. They fix all the things, you know, make it easy for us. First thing, we need to go to this file to fix the firewall issue first. Take this one, copy paste as you see, and open another Windows in terminal, or go to the terminal as you do here, or we go to terminal from here. See, just open another page, keep this one open, and we go to terminal. As you see, we will do nano, and we paste this direction. We got this file, so what we will do, we will copy the the instruction. As you see, bind address, this one is most important for firewall. We put it anywhere. I will put this one here, just paste, and Control X, yes, enter, okay, we'll got it here again, and we will do the another thing. This one I'll show you how it's fixed. The another thing, enable the root mode in PHP thing. So this extension, just copy this one and go to EA, the Apache EA4, yeah, and hit yes. Hit custom things and hit custom, yeah, as you see. Go to the extension and advanced videos. I will show you how we will do. So it says module. I think it's module. PHP module is not PHP extension. Yes, it says enabled, installed. Some time is not installed, but for this issue, we go to the Twix setting. If not enabled, just enable it and hit next. Okay. So in this thing, copy this one and just search for the Jill shell, and Twix, as you see. Yeah, just put it. Yes, this one, put it on, and save. That's we fixed second thing. Or third thing, our last thing, we need to change the it says, okay, change the SSH port, to non-password to disallow anybody to access to the SSH. Okay, let's go to the terminal again. As you see, we go to terminal, okay, and we go to the nano again. We put nano, no, and hit, put this one, copy. We look into the, as you read here, we have to put this one, this thing without password. Do you see? Copy or no? Okay. We just look into the case here. Click. Okay. Yeah. Do you see this one? Address any? Okay. Just remove the hash and make it on and put without password, as you see. Best. And Control X, yes, enter. And now we will start running again. The scanner is enable. Coffee. Everything done. There is a lot advanced configuration we can go with, but with another video. Last and not least, the update is done, as you see. Then we will do another thing, and will be the last thing. And watch me in other videos. Hit subscribe, like if you got new knowledge and new information. And thank you for watching this video. So last thing, we go to the basic configuration. We go to the initiate quote and just put a process and click here to reboot the server, and everything will be done. Everything done. See you in next video.